सारथ नाम का ICV BMP-2 शक्तिशाली आयुध युक्त अत्याधुनिक और रात्रि युद्ध क्षमता वाला एक उच्च गतिशीलता वाला इन्फेंट्री कॉम्बैट व्हीकल है। रात में 4 किलोमीटर तक की दूरी में किसी भी अज्ञात दुश्मन को नष्ट करने की इसकी क्षमता है। युद्ध घोष गरुड़ का हूं बोल प्यारे। BMP 2x2K का आदर्श वाक्य पहला हमेशा पहला।
The ICV BMP-2 going past the saluting days, and we have the next detachment comprising 6 modern specialist vehicles that include quick reaction force vehicles, heavy and medium, a light specialist vehicle mounted infantry mortar system, all-terrain vehicle and a specialist mobility vehicle. These are new generation vehicles under the Atmanirbhar initiative of the government. These vehicles can be used in the desert and mountainous regions and snowy areas to transport troops, and the specialty of these vehicles is their suspension, which is really flexible, giving it excellent maneuverability. The detachment led by Major Tufan Singh Chauhan of 5 Rajput, Lieutenant Colonel Panmay Kabipun and Captain Armandeep Singh Ojla. Specialized vehicles of the Indian Army that provide them support on the ground. The crowds here all agog with excitement because they're seeing these vehicles for their first time. A perfect opportunity for the Indian Army to share glimpses of the equipment that they have at their disposal. Behind the all-terrain vehicles, we have the Pinaka of the Regiment of Artillery, led by Lieutenant Priyanka Sevda. The Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher system is an indigenously designed, developed and manufactured medium-range, all-weather, free-flight artillery rocket system. Fully automated, this offensive weapon system, with each launcher boasting of 12 rockets, developed by the DRDO, Pinaka is a vital component of the offensive operations of the artillery. Sarvatra Izzat-o Iqbal, their motto, everywhere with honor and glory, receiving a round of applause from the assembled guests. We now have Swati, the weapon locating radar system, led by Lieutenant Deepthi Rana of the Regiment of Artillery. Developed again by the DRDO and Bharat Electronics, this is a highly mobile radar system designed for automatic first-round detection. The counter battery radar is designed to detect and track incoming artillery and rocket fire to determine the point of origin for counter battery fire. Weapon locating radar system Swati. President acknowledging their salutes, as we now have the Sarvatra mobile bridging system of the Corps of Engineers led by Captain Suman Singh of 9 Rapid Engineer Regiment, a made-in-India specialized equipment for bridging over dry and wet gaps of terrain. It can span a minimum of 15 meters in a single span and a maximum of 75 meters in multi-span. A lone helicopter, rather 3 helicopters in Vic formation as they move forward, and we have the mechanized column of the Indian Army on the ground.
कर्तव्य पथ पर भारत की सैन्य शक्ति का प्रदर्शन लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल अंकिता चौहान नेतृत्व कर रही हैं मोबाइल ड्रोन जैमर सिस्टम का, इस सिस्टम का उपयोग ड्रोन, मानव रहित विमान प्रणाली, सिग्नल का पता लगाने, ट्रैक करने और ड्रोन गतिविधियों को रोकने के लिए यानी जैम करने के लिए किया जाता है। आज के समय की चुनौतियों के लिए बेहद कारगर सिस्टम। कोर का आदर्श वाक्य, तीव्र, चौकस। और अब सलामी मंच के सामने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वॉरफेयर बटालियन की आकांक्षा गोम्स के नेतृत्व में एडवांस रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम की टुकड़ी शान से आगे बढ़ती हुई। यह सिस्टम देश में ही विकसित किया गया है। यह अत्याधुनिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक युद्ध प्रणाली है। यह प्रतिद्वंद्वी के एनालॉग और डिजिटल संचार को रोकने, निगरानी और विश्लेषण करने में सक्षम है। कोर का आदर्श वाक्य, तीव्र, चौकस। इस बार सेना की अत्याधुनिक टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रदर्शन कर्तव्य पथ पर।
And now going past the saluting base, we have the multi-function radar, the MFRDR radar. This is led by Captain Abhijit Kumar of 503 AD Missile Regiment. The MR-SAM weapon system is also called the Abra weapon system. It's a medium-range air defense weapon system and is intended for the protection of its own critical assets and ground forces against a vast array of hostile aerial targets to include aircrafts, helicopters and subs